Investors and traders, welcome to the channel Market Chat Panel. Today is 25th of January 2025. Hope everyone is having a great weekend. We will be taking a look at the Alibaba stock. It's in the e-commerce and cloud space globally. It is a China-based company, and the chart that we are looking at is the ADR, American Depository Receipt, listed on the New York Stock Exchange. As always, this video is for educational purposes only, and it is not a financial advice. So last year I had actually made a video about the Alibaba stock with a target of about $160, and that has actually not changed. However, what happened last year was that the Chinese government had announced a pretty massive stimulus for the banks, and some of it actually enthusiasm spilled into the stock market as well. And we saw a pretty nice rally, not in just the Alibaba stock, but in the Chinese stock market and also some of the other major Chinese stocks. Since then, what we have seen is actually that enthusiasm fizzle out a little bit, and the stock has made a retracement, and it is sitting at a key critical support level. So before I go into the details of that, what I want to actually also show you is right here. This is when the stock actually went public on the New York Stock Exchange back in 2014. So it's about more than a little over 10 years ago. And then what happened is typical post IPO low took place sometime in August of 2015, and the market actually went sideways for quite a while. Not as long as what the market has done this time around, but it went sideways for quite a while. And from there, it actually put in a double bottom, and we have seen a really nice rally. And the stock went as high as about $320 per share level, roughly, and made a new all-time high. But we have also seen a pretty dramatic decline in the stock over several number of years, and in fact the bottom, which came in the week of 24th of October 2022, it actually pretty much matched with the bottom of post IPO lows right here, with the potential of a double bottom, a bottom here and a bottom here. Now what we are actually looking at is a really prolonged consolidation which has been going on since October of 2022. And when this rally took place, there was a good chance that we might actually be setting up for a breakout out of this trading range. But what has transpired is actually a deeper retracement, and the retracement has actually taken the stock right into a critical level where we have got support coming in around the 61.8% retracement of these lows of 24 October 2022 week. So this is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, and then we have another retracement nearby of these lows right here, which is actually very close to this level. Let me actually try to make it more clear. Right here around the $77 mark, which is the 78.6% retracement of these lows. Now this is the low, and this one is a higher low, and this one has the potential to be a higher low as well. So we can draw a trend line like this. Here we go, like this. And as long as this stays above this, especially the support which has come in from the confluence of these two Fibonacci retracement levels, I think there is a pretty good chance for this stock to rally from here. And perhaps this time we go and test the upper boundary of this trading range. There is a fair amount of resistance here, supply here. The stock could actually pull back a little bit, but it actually may make a breakout, and our target remains 160, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement from the highs of 26th of October 2020 week to the low which came in on 24th of October 2022. So the market, this is the weekly chart, and what we have seen is last couple of weeks the market has had a positive close, which is a good sign. Here we go. And the momentum of the stock needs to improve. This blue line is a 20-week moving average. Getting above this, or in other words, getting above this swing high, would be pretty constructive for the stock from a price action perspective. Now I have this ABCD, that's just the one-to-one price projection right here. Let me actually put it back, this one. I wanted to grab this. that actually signals a uh, level of around 131. So that could actually be a shorter term target, and getting above this, will actually set up a good pattern for our target of $160 per share level. So this is what we are watching on the weekly chart, and I think it's got a pretty nice setup for a rally. And here we go. This is the daily chart, and here just let me blow it up a little bit so that's easier to see. So we have the market come in and put in a low on 13th of January 2025, and it has done this in this ABCD price action. And what is ABCD? It is a one-to-one price projection. Here we go. So we take the segment, we call it A, B, and then we project it from this this high, which is the point C, and then it goes in roughly into this ballpark figure, where we have also seen on the weekly chart that we have got a confluence of Fibonacci retracements coming together. And then if we just draw a line like this joining these highs, we also get a some support coming in from this trend line drawn like this. So this is a really important region, and what has transpired last Friday is a pretty strong close where the stock was up 3.53%, gained a little over $3 per share, and actually has closed on its high. From a candlestick perspective, it is a strong close. So there we go. What would be really constructive is if the stock is able to close above the 94.20 level, which is this swing high of 9th of December 2024. And actually I would like to see two consecutive closes above this level, which would be pretty constructive from a price action perspective, and then it will actually help us get to the targets that we are looking for. So this is what we are looking at in the stock for Alibaba. It looks like we have a pretty important support coming, and as long as that support is held, the price action remains healthy. We could actually look for higher prices to come, and our target remains $160 per share level. I don't know exactly in time when we get there, but this is the 38.2% retracement, and this is what we will be looking for the stock to reach. Now, of course, if on the flip side, if the market is weak, which I think the chances are less, I think we are actually setting up for a pretty good rally in the Alibaba stock, then of course this analysis will become wrong. Thus far, what we are looking at is a pattern of higher lows. So here we go, this low is higher than this one, and this low which came in is actually technically looking at it is higher than this one, and this one has got a potential, although I'm looking for this 94 level to be broken to the upside on a closing basis for the week. That would actually be really constructive from a price action perspective. So thank you very much for watching the video. Good luck, good trading, and speak to you guys soon. Have a fantastic weekend. If you like our analysis, then please give the video a thumbs up, and if you like our technical analysis based on Fibonacci retracements and pattern recognition, then please do subscribe to the channel, and if you do, then hit that bell icon button. That way you will know when the new videos are posted and you will not miss anything. Good luck, good trading, and speak to you guys soon.